Hey, in this video we are going to learn how to download and install Fixy AI application on your Android device. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open Play Store on your device. Now, on the search bar which is at the top of your screen, click on it and type in Fixy and click on search bar. Here, you will see an icon like this. Click on the icon and tap on Install button. Your download may take some time depending on your internet speed. After your download is completed, click on Open to use the application. You can also find the application on your home screen. Simply tap on it to use the application. So that is how you can download and install Fixy AI application on your Android device. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.